Okay, so now in our last video, we learned how to create this table of percentages. Now we're going to learn how to interpret it. We're going to interpret it together. So very basic questions, again, just like our other marginal frequency table. Now we're just looking at percentages. So the first question asks, what percentage of students are in the 7th grade? Well, let's look at our 7th graders. This is how many prefer donuts. This is how many prefer ice cream sandwiches. This is how many prefer cookies, and here is the total percentage of 7th graders, so 25.74. Which grade had the smallest percentage of students responding to the survey? So let's look back at this column. So which grade had the smallest percentage of students? That is our 7th graders again. Okay, which grade level most frequently listed ice cream sandwiches as their favorite dessert? So ice cream sandwiches, who had the highest percentage here? That was 8th graders with 18%, because 7th grade at 5 and 6th graders about 13.5, so 8th graders. Which grade level most frequently listed cookies as their favorite dessert? So cookies as their favorite dessert, 8th graders right there, by far. And then lastly, it says compare the most common grade among students who prefer ice cream sandwiches and cookies. So ice cream sandwiches and cookies. So the most common grade who prefers ice cream sandwiches and cookies. So we're looking at these two. Is the most common grade for these groups the same? So 8th graders prefer ice cream sandwiches over anybody else, and 8th graders prefer cookies over anybody else. So yes, they are the same. All right, so there is a table for you to interpret in your worksheet.